Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebrook Adventure. Today is the day we prime the boat. We're using Total Boat, Total Protect primer, kind of a water barrier for the hull of the boat, everything below the water line. We'll see what we do when we flip the thing over. But we decided to use Total Boat. It's a nice high build primer. It'll seal this thing up. 3-to-1 mixture, mix it for 5 minutes, 15-minute set time so everything blends in nice and good. We've got it set. We're ready to start spreading the primer. So let's get into it. I'm gonna put the respirator on and we're gonna start priming this hole.
We mix 1 pint at a time with this primer, just to make sure we didn't overdo it in case something goes bad. I say we definitely don't want to ruin our mix. This isn't real cheap.
All right, so here we are. First coat, 1 pint covered half of the hull. So if you get a gallon, you're gonna have 4 quarts. On a 13-foot boat, that's gonna give you 4 coats, 4 total quarts. So when you mix up your batches, mix up 1 quart batches instead of 1 pint. Mix it up 1 quart at a time, and that'll give you 4 coats. So I'm glad I did the experiment, but you don't have to now. Say 1 pint covers half the boat. 2 pints, which is a quart, will cover the entire boat, 1 coat. So we're gonna mix up another pint, get this thing equaled out, and then let it set up and start another coat. So I've been sanding down on this, just started. This thing is set up for a week or so now, but it was sandable at about 3 days. You can see the texture on it before you sand it, and it sands down really easy, real smooth to just a real fine finish. Sanding it down with 80 grit, preparing it for a gel coat. Okay, so we've had a couple little changes of plans here. First off, I rolled the primer on. I wouldn't recommend rolling it. It's way too much waste. We're gonna try shooting it with a HVLP, high velocity, low pressure sprayer. We need to get another coat on there. It's a really high build primer, but the eggshell on that from rolling it, I mean, I had to stand probably 3/4 of it off just to get it smooth. So we're gonna shoot it on. It should be a much smoother coat after I shoot it. We decided we're not gonna go with the gel coat. I've been talking to the guys at the fiberglass shop and they just said it's just way too hard to work with. I'll end up spending a lot more money fixing my mistakes with the gel coat. So we're gonna use a 2-part polyurethane paint on the bottom of this. So we're gonna spray it now with the Total Protect, Total Protect, sand it down to 220. The guys told me sand it down to 220 because that polyurethane is going to show all the cracks. So we're going to get everything ready, shoot this thing, sand it. Okay, we got this thing sprayed down with that final coat of primer. I wish I would have sprayed the whole thing instead of rolling it. We're gonna have to do a final sand on this, get it ready for the paint, We're gonna use 220. That way we don't have to worry about any scratch marks showing through the paint. So on the next episode, we're gonna spray some paint on this thing. So from Stonebrook Adventure, until next time,